Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I bought this iron-on art from Crafter's Square section at the Dollar Tree. I want to use this heart on a project, and well, I've never worked with iron-on art, so I only bought the one. But after, I was reading this, and it says to preheat iron to medium-high setting, remove texture back in position, design sticky side down on fabric, and then firmly press design for 20 to 30 seconds. After design has cooled completely, peel the clear sheet away from design slowly. So yeah, I was thinking that you take this whole piece and put it down on a fabric like this and then iron it on. But apparently I was, way off. So this piece here, it separates, see there? So you just peel the black plastic off on the back, and when you peel it apart, see, the design stays stick to the clear plastic. And then that's what you place on your fabric, and then of course you will cover it up to protect it, and then go ahead and iron that onto your project. So I will probably go back and pick up some more of these. They do have several designs available. I just picked up the heart one for now. I also picked up a phone stand. Look at this. It's the llama. Oh yeah, this is for my enjoyment only. Yeah, see there? This is how it should look once I assemble it. And what is this for? Oh, it must sit on. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Let me get this right first. Okay, slides in from the back. Like this. So you must take this pad here and maybe put it on here to protect your phone from slipping off, maybe. I'm gonna put this in my work bag, so there are times when I want to watch something on my phone, and I can set my phone on top of that. They have like several characters, and I was thinking about getting the panda. Oh, the panda was so cute. And well, there's several others. So when you go to Dollar Tree, take a look at see what they have. Let's see. I also found some stickers. Now these are new stickers, right? They're by Crafter Square, and it's a pop-up sticker. You get 10 pieces in here. I picked up, I thought I picked up 3 of these, but apparently I only have 2. But this is what you get in here. Look at that. All new designs from Crafter Square. I like it. Just in time for the spring season, right? But again, you can use this for any season. Flowers just works that way. It is really cute. I love the tea kettle. And then you get all the little cups in there. I like it. So yeah, I picked that up. And then I picked up this one too. And this one you get 9 pieces, and they're also the pop-up. So yeah, this is what you get in this one. I love the yellow colors. It is so beautiful. I love this. See how long this sticker is on the side? Imagine how that will look on the side of the page, right? Oh, it's going to be wonderful. I'm looking forward to using these. And again, they're just beautiful. See, think spring. There are a couple more designs out there. I passed on those, but I love these. I did pick up some file folders. This is that vinyl or the plastic holders. I found it in the llama. Look at this. And then I found it in this one. It's got that rainbow effect. Look at that. Cute, right? It says be cool. I picked up 2 each. I picked it up because I recently bought some vellum and I needed to store them. So this is what I use that for. I just slide my vellum in here. Any specialty papers that I have that I don't want it messing up, I'll just slide them in here and store them that way. I was looking for just plain colors, but this is what Dollar Tree had, and I'm like, oh yeah, I need some llamas in my life. So I picked up 2 each. They're just adorable. And when I was there, I picked up this mirror and makeup brush set. I'm after the mirror itself. It is quite thin, see? I like it. Now, I plan on using this for my crafting. I wanted the metal backing, that way I can put a magnet on there. I wanted to use it because, see, and they do have several colors in stock right now, but I wanted, well, it didn't really matter what the design backing was. I just needed that so I can mount this on right below my camera so I can make sure my camera focuses before I start filming. Yeah, I'm always in a rush and I don't always check to make sure everything's focused, so this will help me out. That's why I picked that one up. And then while I was picking this up, I found this one too. This is a compact mirror, and they do have several designs, and this is just for me. And when I opened it, I noticed the image on top is peeling, so I'm like, ooh, that's a good thing for me actually. See how it's buckling and coming up here? I can pull this off and I can put my own design on there, right? I can get one of my scrapbooking paper, and I can actually have a use of my, what do you call that, that sticker maker. I can slide it through there and make it sticky, and I can put it on here, and I can put like an image on the front and the back, and you know, it's a great DIY project, right? Because most of the time we're like, okay, they give you options and then you're like, well, that really doesn't go with me, but I'll just take it anyways. So now we can redesign the covers on those. While I was there, I also picked this up. This is a magnetic pickup tool, and you'll find this in the tool section. It is 33 inches long. Well, you know, extends. But, you know, sometimes, you know, when I'm working with like little pieces, you know, like brads, and it drops on the floor, and I'm like, oh gosh, do I really want to take the time to get down there and pick it up? So see, isn't that a nifty idea? It doesn't just have to be tools. It's for stuff you drop on your on your crafting room floor. Look at that. I like it. So I'm like, why didn't I think of that before? So I picked up some flashlights. I needed a flashlight because I went in my car and I needed the flashlight for something, and my flashlight would not turn on, and I'm like, well, you know what, I will run to Dollar Tree and pick up one of the little tiny ones. And this was like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago maybe it happened to me, and I couldn't find any flashlights. I like, Dollar Tree's out of flashlights. And I was thinking, well, it's probably just one store, but I ended up going to like 4 different ones and not a single flashlight in sight. And then I'm like, well, okay, I'll splurge and go to Walmart. And the same thing at Walmart. So like, it's like everywhere, all the, you know, inexpensive flashlights are gone. What they have left are the mega box ones. And I'm like, I'm not spending that much money on the flashlight. So I was able to find this one. I was quite happy to see them. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love those colors. Now, I don't remember seeing green before, so I was quite happy about that. I love the color green, and I love the color red too, so it worked in my favor. This is what the last design looked like. See, it's a little different this time. You got the grooves here, you got the grooves here, and you got like lines going through. And then, so this is the new design. Here, let me open this one. See, it's a little different. It's still the metal barrel, in case you're wondering. See there? A little bit different, but I love to get one of these on, you know, right here near my craft table, and I have it available in case we have lights out during the summer season with all of the thunderstorms. But yeah, you do need 3 AAA batteries for these. And I did pick up 3 of the green ones, and I did pick up 1 red one, which I left in the car already, it looks like. And then while I was there, I also noticed these. Look at this. This is an emergency flashlight. I almost passed on it because I'm like, well, I'm picking this one up. This is going to be used for emergency. But look at this. It recharged by squeezing. So isn't that neat? It doesn't require a battery. And I started to look at it. I'm like, well, maybe I need a battery, but it doesn't look to have. And I'm looking inside it, and I don't see where. I don't see any rechargeable battery in there. It's just some sort of mechanism that keeps it lighting. So, well, of course, you turn it on. See, and then you squeeze like this, and it keeps recharging. So you don't have to worry about, like, what do I need to replace the battery? I thought that was interesting. So I picked that one up. I picked up the 2 gray ones, and I picked up 1 red one because I had to have a red one. Now, if they had a green one, I would have picked up the green one too. I mean, maybe later down the line, if I see a green one, I will pick that up too. And then this will, the red one will stay in my craft room. And this will probably go in the flashlight drawer. You know, how many of you have that? I actually have a flashlight drawer. Oh, goodness. It's like socks. They disappear and who knows where it goes. You know, it goes into that magic land where there's scissors and pencils and pins, socks. They all go that way. So yeah, I'm going to add this to my flashlight drawer. Well, I hope that you find what you're looking for the next time you go to your Dollar Tree. That you find everything on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.